Guys, good morning everybody. Today we will be seeing the order flow. The market has just started. This is the 15-minute candle and the market is going down, and I will shift to the 5-minute candle to see what happened. Sorry for being late. I wanted to examine the first 5 minutes. First 5 minutes as there is no any decisive numbers to indicate any strong direction. However, the market is trending down. Now we will go to the plain charts and try to analyze that. We will go on a short position now. And the options will be 52,400. 52,400. We will see after the closing of this candle only. We will go to take a position on the downside. Day's low is broken after the first candle, so we will see how we can take a trade. We can take a trade on the buy side or on the selling side. The trend is trying to reverse. We will see if it really reverses or it is anything fake. The number is, these are all not real numbers because this delta is showing minus 165. However, the color is not showing true delta on the downside. So there is a reloading here. I will try to take a position on the upside now. I will be going for 52,000 call. We can open the 52,000 call on the trading view and observe. And I want to tell you guys that I am not SCBI certified. We are into position now. Small position on 52,000 call with a stop loss of this. Entry is here. So stop loss will be around 15 points. Now I will open the trading view and add 50,000 call. 52,000 call. I will add 52,000 call here. If it breaks this green line, 52,099, trend will reverse for the upside. So it should not go below this line. However, we will add 52,000 call. This is all futures chart. 18 September 52,000 call we are going to add, and 52,400 put we are going to add. Now we can see what's happening on the order flow chart. This is order flow chart for those who are watching it fresh. Who are new viewers, kindly subscribe and like the channel. I am not SCBI certified, although I will educate you about order flow. I am not giving you any tips or suggestions to buy or sell, even though if I use any statements like you can buy it, you can sell it. It is not that you have to sell it. It is in the flow of talking that I tell you, but you have to take advice from your SCBI certified advisor. and the market is, as I told you, the market is trying to reverse from here, and there was some reloading here, and that is the reason why the market is going up in the sense trying to reverse from here. Although this candle itself does not indicate full upside, we will see if there is a follow-up candle. I am already in position with a 52,000 call. So we will trade, we will see the trading view, and always don't concentrate on the profit and loss. Market is trying to reverse in a strong way. We want similar numbers in the next candle. See, there is the short cover, there is a order reloading for the upside here. That is the reason I took a position here. This is reloading order. And see, now there are fresh buyers coming in, and you can see also the cart and the cart ratio. This is very simple. If you keep it simple, with order flow, you can trade with this. It is going to break today's high probably with the strong numbers coming in. 175 again. There is reloading for the downside. So we will see what is going to happening. What is going to happen in the next candle or the current candle in the last minute. Just because there is reloading for the downside, that doesn't mean the market cannot go up. There will be some smart buyers. See, there is already one order here, fresh buy order. And if there are any more orders coming here, the market will go up. So this is the way. In this candle, you cannot understand anything. You can people will sell here. If they take position somewhere here, they will get trapped and the market will go up. That is how the market will trap people. And the small traders will get trapped. And there is no mercy in the stock market. Only smart people, smartly thinking people will make money. So you kindly keep all that in mind and trade with caution. Trade smartly and trade wisely, and do not jump into the market just because of taking a trade. See, as I told you, fresh orders are coming in, and this is a solid bar. There are no wicks. So we expect the market to go higher. If it trades above this point, the market will break today's high. That is this point, 2050, 310. If 310 is broken, it will break 400. How I will be telling all these numbers? I will tell you, these are all strong indicators for in order flow. These are all footprints. And delta will play a major role in order flow. See, this is the point of control, and the trading is happening at the point of control. Point of control is very important. So you keep the point of look at the point of control, and the market should it close. I mean, the particular candle should close above the point of control. Only then you can take a decisive trade. Now I will just watch what is happening in the 52,000 call. 52,000 call, we took a position around 282, I think. Now it is 323. 382, 50 paisa. And now it is 315. Now the stop loss is shifted to the high of the previous candle. We don't want to keep 30%, 40% as stop loss. Some people give 40%, 50-point stop loss and 100-point target. That is not the way to trade. If you lose 3 trades in a row, you will be losing almost 90% of your capital. If not the capital, the investment you have done. So we will keep it here, and depending on the risk appetite, you can shift or hold the position based on the risk appetite. You can shift your stop loss and trail your stop loss on the upside. And always try to understand that the market is not going in a straight line. Just because it fell like this, it won't keep falling like this. That is a rare case. But in this case, the market has gone down, it is going up, and if it breaks this point, it will go up. Otherwise, it will go down. It has to cross 75% of the first candle. See, all these things are very simple things. It has to cross 75% of the first candle. Now it is crossed, so we are waiting for a decisive upside. 332 is a what you say, price now. There is a lot of price action now. Now it is almost about to break the today's high. Today's high will be broken within some time, within a minute. Or look at the cart. Cart is 500 and selling cart is only 48, and it changes every second, and the cart ratio is also important. This is 10 times. There is a clear indication that market is going up. We will see what is happening in the day candle. Day candle is also indicating strong upside. So these are all fresh orders here. This is the day's high. We will see, and my stop loss is somewhere here. Entry is somewhere here. So we will wait. I am in profit now, so I have the I can play with the profit and hold still till the market crosses this line. If it crosses this line downside, I will be no loss, no gain except for the brokerage loss. But I am not here to take multiple trades. I will be trading only with 1 or 2 orders, and we have to make 300 to 200, or at least 200 to 300 points. Now we have made 50 points. We are already 50 points in the money. We want at least the market to break this point. If this market breaks this point, you can see 100 points upside straight away. You may make a note of this, what I am telling. If this breaks here, smart money people are entering here according to daily chart. But they are not really investing in big numbers. So we'll wait. There is a bit of hesitation here. So we will wait and see what is going to happen. Now if it breaks that last order of 9 on the buy side, it will jump like a rocket. So kindly watch and subscribe and be smart to trade. Don't simply just come in the morning, just don't take a trade. Just because there is the first candle is red, there is no reason to take a trade. Open action will always be there. However, we need to get confirmation candle. See, there is a little bit of resistance at this point. So we want that point to be crossed. These 2 points, the first 5-minute high and low points are very important, and in the point of control will keep shifting. Now the point of control is here in this particular candle. There is some reloading happening here. This is reloading, as you see. So the candle is still trying to convert into a green candle in the last minute. We will see what will happen. This is a reloading order for the upside, and this is the reloading order for the downside. Now the point of control is shifted to the lower point of the candle. That is because sellers are trying to dominate. You can see the numbers here. It is evident. This is 45. This is 77. Things in red are sellers. Things in green are buyers. Here also these are sellers. When it is reloading orders, it will be for the opposite direction. if it is located this side, that is on the sell side, and if it is not this number, I will tell you in the class how to identify the reloading orders. But now this is the way it should go. The candle is trying to convert into a green candle. If it doesn't convert, the next candle will convert. 2 more minutes to go for the candle to close. If it breaks this, it will go to new highs. New highs, what is the new high? We can check in TradingView. Wow, the price is 369. This is the way you should trade. You should not be seeing at the chart. Say from 280, it came to 360. So that is the way to trade. Don't take trades blindly. 370, we are in the money. We are at 370 in the money, and the market is very strong. These are 3 bullish candles formed here. However, there might be a little bit downside, and the market is trending upward. We will see if we get a confirmation after this candle. This is Bank Nifty futures. You can see 52,330. We have taken position in 52,000 call, and it from 280 to 50 paisa, it has gone to 355. It touched 380, but still we have not covered. Now we are trailing the stop loss. The stop loss will be 330. I have trailed my stop loss. The stop loss will be 330. This is a very strong, beautiful market now. We will see what is happening on the day candle. See the day candle, there is a zero zone here. With zero zones are very important. After the 9 number order, it is just bounced to, there was a 20 to 30 point bounce. So these are all very important things to consider. See, without indicators we are trading, and it is very beautiful and awesome to trade without indicators. Let us use general common sense and insights to track the order. Order flow charts. For the daily candle, the point of control is here. So till this point, this is the daily point of control. So that till this point, we need not worry. When it breaks this point, we need to think of downside rather than upside. Now the candle is trying to convert into red, or it's going to form some kind of a doji pattern or something like that. But we are not worried what candle it is going to form. We are only worried about making money. So we use OrderFlow, and OrderFlow is fantastic tool. You guys, if you anybody who needs help about OrderFlow, you can please contact me. I will give you a number. The number you can contact is 6366 153 853. You will call me at this number or WhatsApp on this number. See, there will be a little bit of retracement, and then the market has to go up. Now we will consider this as a point of control because it is trading at that point. The candle has to stay there and it cannot turn red. $330 our as I told you, 330 our trade was executed and we have made 49 rupees 50 paisa. 50 points done in the current. This one we can still take a trade after there is a little bit downside, and the market will probably end up this way, or it can simply go like this and then come like this. We will see what is going to happen. We cannot predict, no speculative trade here with order flow. We can only go with numbers. There is no speculation here. I am watching for this point. 9 order, this has to cross this order and then go up. There are fresh sellers here, that is why it came down a little bit. Now we will see what is going to happen in the future. The next candle, the part is supporting the buyer side. You can see the lines, that is the day high and the low. I have not put any other pivot lines. The numbers have decreased, but I expect the numbers to increase. See, here it is 496 and here it is 46 and 53. So, and the number here also has decreased, it is not increased. So the market will trade in this range for some time, I think. However, we will see where it goes. There is no reloading order as such. I am sure the market will stay above this line. Although there is a small keep watching. If there is a break and of today's high of 52,340, there will be 100 point upside or 150 point upside from there. We will get into position if it reaches that point on the call side. I am trading only with options, not futures. So option traders should remember that option trading can be done only when there is lot of volatility, and we cannot trade when the market is slow or moving sideways. Market is moving sideways now. So when it is moving sideways, option buyers should have patience or they can sell options. I will tell about option selling and trade with selling options in the coming days. So step by step we will go. So kindly subscribe. I will teach you in and out of order flow, and you will be benefited if you subscribe for the channel. Market will make the buyers frustrated, and then when they exit, it will go in the opposite direction. Option trading is an art, and you should have patience. Otherwise, don't trade in options, trade in equities with chart analysis. Otherwise, even you can lose money with trading equities. Nothing is guaranteed in the stock market if you trade without data. We will see if it crosses the. My position is closed for 49 rupees 50 paisa profit. Now I am looking to take another position either downside or upside. We will see where it goes, and then I will take a position. I am expecting the next candle to reverse to green, and I am expecting the market to go up. This is based on my experience, and we will see what happens. I'm expecting the market to recover from this point, day's high, and break the day's high. If it closes below that, if it closes below this point, the market is expected to go down. However, I want the market to go up. So based on this order here, 201 order, the market is going down. This is a stop loss hunting kind of order. So the stop loss is hit and the market is reversed to the downside. This is the day's high. Look at the order. There is nothing on the sell side. There is only buy side. Here the buyers are trapped and the market will reverse. I'll be back in 5-10 minutes. In the meantime, you can keep watching the chart. I have not taken any position as of now. One position was taken and it is closed. So I want the market to cross this brown line so that I will take a trade on the upside. If it breaches this point, a downside trade can be taken with a stop loss of this point or 10 points from this blue line. There should be a strong reversal. That is what I'm expecting. I'm still waiting for confirmation for the downside or the upside. I'm watching the closing of this candle. The closing of this candle is very important. Yes, now I'm positioning myself, and I will be taking a trade of 50,000 call. Again, the second trade, if it crosses this particular block. This is an engulfing pattern kind of candle, so we should watch for that kind of candle. However, we need follow up. We need follow up for this candle to go above that block and close. Only then the trade will be initiated, and for target of 52,400. The pattern, the W kind of pattern, M kind of pattern, V pattern, U pattern, we don't bother about all those things. We only go by the order flow numbers. Numbers are very important. Numbers are not still very supportive for the buy side. So I am just positioning myself. I have not taken any trade. And I want to give you my insight about the geopolitical events and where the market could go for 6 months from now. So we will try to analyze based on my insights. We will shift to the 1 week candle or even 1 month candle, because this is a longer term perspective. Data series. So this is the maximum what the chart is showing. 10,000 is, this is the low of the multi-year. This is formed in year 2012. Year 14 again it came close to that point, and next was this is after the 2008, 2012, 2014, and this is 2016, And this is when the corona time, 2020, 2021, and now I am expecting the market to come to this point if there is any geopolitical events for the first target. That is close to 35,000. That is Bank Nifty should come to 35,000 in a couple of months. I am expecting a big war kind of thing because Iran is creating unwanted trouble to India as well as America. So they are America will, if America retaliates, it might even use nuclear missiles. Once the nuclear missiles are used, the market is going to crash like ever, like anything, whatever. It doesn't bother about the fundamentals or the technicals or anything. So I am not buying any big positions or holding any equity for long time. So what I will be doing, concentrating is only on intraday and very short term. I won't be going long for any reason. This is the first point of support which will act when the market goes down. The market might go till here 55,000 and it might come down. That is my anticipation. So you keeping all this in mind, we should trade wisely rather than simply buying and keeping. See, people who have brought here in the year 2022 or 2021 will lose all their profit if they don't book their profit. And they will have to wait for another couple of years. This time the market, there won't be any V type recovery. It could be something like a new type recovery because the war might last for a long duration. As it is, the Russia-Ukraine war is going on for the second year and it was expected to close within 1 month or 2 months. It will not happen as they talk. So we will shift on to the daily candles or the daily chart. I will go to the 5-minute chart now. This is a 5-minute chart. The market is trading above this block, but since this number is supporting and I was in the concentrating on the other chart, now I will go for a buy in the options and I will see the delta is also supporting the buy side and the delta is slowly increasing. So I will position myself for 52,000 call at now it is executed at 308. This is my second trade and I won't be taking anything more than this. My stop loss will be 297. 297 is around 20 point, 15 points, 8, 10 point, 11 points. I am not using stop loss because I'm a kind of experienced kind of guy and I will try to execute my trade at that level or even hold it. But I suggest you guys use the stop loss very accurately. And using stop loss is a must. Otherwise, you might lose big money in options trading, and you won't be able to place an order also when it is falling like a stone. So keep that in mind and trade with caution. Now I am not looking at the options chart or the profit and the loss. I am looking at the chart. I am analyzing the chart and the profit and loss will be in my expected range only. So I don't want this candle to go and close somewhere down here. This is a wrong indication. So I want this COT and the COT ratio and the delta to increase from 109 to 143. It has come. Now I want that to go to somewhere around 200 or 300, and this number also should be significantly bigger than 300. Only then I can take a trade and it will be breaking the day's high. If it breaks the day's high, we can expect another 100 points upside. In the meantime, I want to give you mm, that SpiceJet is taking a big hit, and SpiceJet is not a thing to buy and hold. That is not a kind of stock which we can buy and hold. Bajaj Housing Finance is 7% upside, and Tata Motors is also is trending downwards. It is 2% down now, and all the commodity prices are higher. See, I don't want this candle to close in this range or below this range. So I have still not taken any position, but I'm ready to take a position if this converts to a green candle, and if the delta increases. The delta is constantly at 149, and there is a big fight between the buyers and the sellers. You can see the cart here, it is 0. Here the cart ratio is 0. Here also the cart ratio is 0. So this is a significant candle we have to watch for. And this looks like an engulfing candle for the downside if it closes below this point. So we are not using any indicators. We use only order flow. So that we can safeguard the money and capital. All those who are watching, kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell button and like the channel, and if possible share it with your friends so that they can be benefited with the live stream. Live stream is going on for the benefit of traders and to make them understand, and it is the free session. So kindly like and subscribe the channel so that I can make more videos, and like the channel so that it will reach more audience. The market is moving in that range. It is not making any big moves. The delta also has decreased from the previous candle to the sell side. Those who are watching, kindly like and subscribe so that the video will reach out to more people. Market is not making any move, not anything significant. It is trading sideways. So probably it will be going sideways for quite some time now, and then might make a move in the second half. So we cannot exactly time the market. Now it is favoring the sellers, option sellers. Option sellers can keep selling small options both on the call side and the buy side, and keeping a stop loss of 52,400 on the upside and 52,100 on the downside. There is no strategy in place for selling now. I will be teaching that in my upcoming sessions. What is happening to the Nifty? We'll see what is happening to the Nifty. The Nifty is also trading flat. Bank Nifty is also trading flat, but not giving any direction. It is forming a triangular type of pattern. If it breaks this point, probably there will be a trade in the direction it breaks. So this is the Bank Nifty, and this is also Bank Nifty, and we will see what's happening in the selling side. Daily chart. Daily chart is purely favoring the sellers. As of now, the daily cart is 849 and buyer's cart is only 17. So it is favoring the sellers. So now I won't be looking to buy the options unless it breaks the, if the red candle, any red candle breaks this point of 52,210 or 220, I will be taking the position on the downside, for the downside with the target of 52,100. So we always have to go with the market, not against the market. So trading with caution and with ease is very comfortable. Market is not moving in any direction, so it is trading flat, so I'm not taking any trade. Don't find there is no, there is several people they are teaching several things on the uh, social media, but you should make a wise decision of what works for you and trade in your own way. Do not take tips, or do not fall into a trap of doubling money in 2 days, 3 days. All those will not happen. Although you can double your investment on the options when you're trading with small investment. and don't invest with any group which is not registered with the SCBI. In a few minutes from now, if the market is going sideways, I'll be closing the live stream and we'll come back as soon as there is any volatility. Volatility is what is required for option buyers. Still there is no movement. So as you can clearly see on the chart, the first 15 minutes or 30 minutes there was some little bit of movement on the upside. After that, there is nothing happening. So we will wait for the volatility. Volatility is what is required. So keep an eye on these numbers. If it is sideways and you are taking a trade, you will lose money. Don't buy options while the market is moving sideways. We need big numbers on the order flow charts and on the cart. The commitment of traders should be big. Only then we can trade on the upside or downside in options. The mid cap nifty is also down. Sensex is flat. Bank nifty is flat and nifty is flat. If you want more tips about more tips in the sense, more insights about big stocks which can turn into multi baggers, subscribe the channel and press the bell button, and in between I will be giving you insights about multi-baggers which can be carried for 1 to 2 years and which will give you a return of 100 to 200%. If somebody is a beginner, I just want to tell them about trading. Trading refers to the buying and selling of financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, currencies, equities, or derivatives, and the goal is to make profit. It involves speculating on future price movements of these assets, whether in the short term or the long term. But with order flow, we are not going to speculate much. The speculation percentage will be significantly less. Now, how many types of trading are there? Day trading is there. Day trading is when buying and selling assets within the same day occurs. It is called day trading. To capitalize on the very short term price movements. See, today's morning is one example of short term trading and intraday trading. Swing trading is holding positions for several days or weeks, aiming to profit from medium term price trends. So holding the position for 1 week or 10 days, it is called short term trading, swing trading. Positional trading is holding the position for longer term, where it is held for months or even years based on the fundamental analysis. One more kind of trading is scalping. Scalping is very short term strategy where traders make numerous trades to capture small price changes, that is close to 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, 5 rupees, something like that, in a very small range. There are the financial instruments or stocks. Stocks means shares of a company, and you mean if you buy 10 stocks, you are the owner of 10 stocks of that particular company. And bonds and debt securities issued by corporates or governments. These are the financial instruments. Currency trading involves trading of currency and currency pairs in the foreign exchange, like that is called forex market. Commodity trading involves very physical goods trading like gold, oil, agricultural products like cotton, seed, and other seeds, agricultural products. Everything comes under commodity trading. And key concepts about market orders versus limit orders, I will be telling in the. I will just brief you about it. Market orders are orders which are executed at the market price. Simply click execute at the market price, and market prices are prices which is offered by the sellers. And all the orders which get if you are selling 100 options, it will get executed at that market price. Limit price means if the option is trading at 100 rupees and you want to sell it at 110 rupees, you place a limit order and it will get executed only when it reaches 110. When the price reaches 110, that is limit order. Limit order are placed by passive traders. They want to be safe and something like a conservative kind of people. They trade with limit orders. These market orders are placed by aggressive traders. Aggressive traders are just they punch in the market orders and whatever best price they get, they accept it, and that is what creates liquidity, and that is what favors the option buyers, not the sellers. Option buyers. Option sellers make loss when there is lot of volatility in one direction. If they have bought that position, if they buy the call, if they sell the call option, and if the market is going up against them, they may make huge loss. When they sell the call, the market has to fall for them to make profit. So still there is no significant movement. It is moving in a black kind of pattern. So we will see where the market will end. And bid ask, the difference between the highest price a buyer is willing to pay is the bid, and the lowest price a seller is willing to accept is ask price. That is what you see in the bid ask price chart. Leverage means it is again the margin what you are using to buy the equity or the underlying asset, which is borrowed from the broker, and he charges some amount for that. That is called brokerage charges, and also the other charges that government have levied will also be have to be paid. Leverage is nothing but margin money what we get from the brokers, and they are charging a certain amount of fees for that. Now the chart is trying to break out of the range and see the movement now. If it closes about the blue line, we will initiate long position at this point, and the stop loss will be this point. So there is a stop loss of 40 points, but we won't keep 40 points. We will try to reduce the stop loss based on the following candle. We want the candle to cross this point. We will see how the cart will increase. See, this is a bit confusing and not deciding, because the cart was 0 here, now it turned to 167. Now the cart ratio is 0.01. This is the cart ratio, sorry, and this is the cart supporting the buyers. But since it is 0 here, I will be a bit wary, and I want to see where this candle closes. These kind of candles will be indicative of a reversal most of the time. So we will see, this is one more order placed on the reloading side for the downside. So we will see where the market will close. I am expecting the where the candle will close. I am expecting this candle to reverse. Either this candle should reverse, or the next candle should go up like this and reverse. The closing should be above this point, above the blue line. Closing above the blue line is very important. Any point of the candle is not as significant as closing of the candle. Candle closing is very important. So let us wait for the closing of the candle. The cart ratio is increased to 13, and the other point is significantly less at 7. However, I am seeing weakness on the sell side. Now the strength is building up on the buy side, but not a pure buy. They're all cover orders. Some are cover orders. And we will see what is happening on the daily chart. Once this candle closes, we will get to know what is happening. One more minute for the candle to close. You will see, but it is hesitant to close. This is acting as a strong resistance. Take it from me, if this point is crossed, blue line is crossed, it will cross this point and then it will cross 52,370 and will reach 52,400. Okay, the candle has closed lower than the point of control. This is the point of control, as I told you, and also there is a reloading for the downside. So we will see if the candle will break this point and go down. However, the cart is strong. The delta is not very strong, although it is 273 on the green side. It is a mixed kind of bag. This is a pure selling cart, selling delta, buying delta. The colors, there are a lot of things to learn from colors. Okay guys, for now I will close the stream and I will come back when there is a lot of volatility. If the candle crosses this line, there is a trade on the downside, and if the candle crosses this side, there is a trade on the upside, and only consider closing of the candle and not the candle simply trading there. So for now, thanks for watching, and whoever is watching, kindly like and subscribe, and have a good trading day, trading profitable day. Thank you, and bye bye.